Have our security expert, James Copenhaver, to talk to about this. It shows how big Star Wars is, but Disney has gone to these lengths with their security efforts because they're fairly reticent to do these types of measures, aren't they? Particularly at a theme park, because there's a sort of a suspension of disbelief, particularly at Disney, because they don't want anything to take away from the magic, right?
Well, it's the Magic Kingdom, but keep in mind it's a soft target for these terrorist thugs that are out to cause us fear and harm. And I think it's sort of long overdue for Disney to step up and actually take a proactive stance on this.
Do you think these are good enough measures that they've got in place, though? Because not everyone's going through the metal detectors. You know what I'm saying? It's only select people, I guess, whoever they choose, randomly.
Absolutely. I know for a fact that the Orange County Sheriff's Office has conducted training sessions with Disney employees and their security staff. We have full-time deputies that are assigned at Disney, so I can assure you that they have their protocol in place and are ready for anything that may happen.
Let me ask you one last question, because these are the things that we're going to see when you go to Disney. There's got to be tons of security out there that we never see. People that are probably dressed as, I don't know, maybe as a tourist or something, you know, walking around and cameras and so forth. You know what I mean? Does that happen? Is that going on out there?
Absolutely. To give you a case in point, we do quite a bit of surveillance in our company at Disney for different aspects. And from time to time, we'll have an investigator actually get caught by one of their undercover security people. So I know, in fact, they do have that. And they're pretty enforceable and very vigilant, and they want to protect that magic feeling, if you will.
Yeah, or the Jedi want to make sure that no one goes to the dark side over this weekend. Okay. Hey, James, great to talk to you.
Thank you.